I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. Working on my 1997 Intrepid. And maybe you're wondering how to change the signal light bulbs or parking light bulbs on it. I'm going to show you step by step. It's actually pretty easy. Let's get right to it. So let's take a look at this together. I'm going to pop the hood open and show you a close-up of the top. So there's this little, see this little clip here? This flat screwdriver. Let's break it. Move the clip and then pull the light towards you. And you'll see these little pieces, they have places they're going to, well, I'll show you how to put it back in after, but taking it out and show you on this side. Oh, there's a little finger here that it's a guide or whatever clips in there as well. So sometimes they're a little stubborn to get out. We'll just go back in like that. Now this, you got to turn the bulb counterclockwise. Down, I guess, in this situation. And there it is, look at that, huh? Now, just wiggle it and it should pop out. Easy enough. And there's the number there. 3157 NA. NA is natural amber, or the orange color. A new one just pops in, doesn't matter which way it goes in. They fit either way. And it'll click when it gets in there. I'll just put the whole thing back together. Those little fingers, they all have little spots they need to go in. I don't want to forget that clip as well. It's actually kind of a neat idea. So we'll put this bulb back in, and those, of course, put all those guides back in the right spot. This is going to go in. And have to jiggle it around a little bit, spin it around till you find the holes, and then turn it clockwise. And then line up all these little fingers. So there's that one there. And then on this side, I've got this thing that looks like a rectangle, and then there's that little catch. There you go. It's snapped in. It should stay there. It's easy enough, actually. And it's done. So your signal or parking light bulb, real easy to do. And if you need to watch it again, go ahead. Please give me the thumbs up if you liked the video and it helped you. You can subscribe down in the corner as well. Plus, right here, just above the big blue circle, you'll see an arrow pointing to a link that should have a playlist for Chrysler or Dodge Intrepids. Canada, they were Chrysler. US, they were Dodge. Whatever. Anyway, you and your family stay safe. Hopefully everybody's well. And check out the playlist. I'll be adding to it for some time here. Let's get going. Until next time, you and your family stay safe. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Please subscribe. And you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.